Hi friends, subscribe my channel and give minimum 1000 likes. Do you know how many World Heritage Sites are in India listed by UNESCO? And have you ever visited these sites? There are 38 World Heritage Sites in India, and this makes India the sixth largest considering heritage sites in the world.
So first site is Ajanta Caves from Aurangabad district, Maharashtra. It's a rock-cut Buddhist cave monument which dates from 2nd century BCE to 480 CE. Second site is Ellora Caves, Aurangabad district, Maharashtra. It is one of the largest rock-cut monastery temple cave complex in the world, and it is dating from 600 to 1000 CE period. Third site is Agra Fort, Agra, Uttar Pradesh. It was the main residence of the emperors from Mughal dynasty until 1638, when the capital was shifted from Agra to Delhi. Next site is Taj Mahal, Agra, Uttar Pradesh. It was commissioned in 1632 by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan and completed entirely in 1653 at a cost which in 2020 would be approximately 70 billion rupees, which means 916 million US dollar. The site is Konark Sun Temple, Puri district, Odisha. The temple is tributed to the King Narasimhadeva I of the Eastern Ganga dynasty about 1250 CE. Sixth one is Monuments at Mahabalipuram, Tamil Nadu. Collection of 7th and 8th century religious monuments built during Pallava dynasty. Seventh one is Kasiranga National Park, Golaghat and Anglong district, Assam. The sanctuary, which hosts two-thirds of the world's great one-horned rhinoceros. Kasiranga is home to the highest density of tigers among protected areas in the world and was declared a tiger reserve in 2006. Manas National Park, Assam. The park is known for its rare and endangered endemic wildlife such as the Assam roof turtle, spit hare, golden langur, and pygmy hawk. Manas Park is a Project Tiger Reserve, an elephant reserve, and biosphere reserve in Assam. Ninth one is Kolado National Park, Bharatpur, Rajasthan. Is a famous avifauna sanctuary which hosts thousands of birds, especially during the winter season. It is a man-made and man-managed wetland and one of the national park of India. 10th one is Churches and Convents of Goa. Goa was the capital of Portuguese India and Asia, an evangelization center from 16th century. Goa is also known by the title Rome of the East. 11th site is Khajuraho Group of Monuments, Madhya Pradesh. Is a group of Hindu and Jain temples in Chhatarpur district. Most temples were built between 950 AD and 1050 AD by Chandela dynasty. The temples are famous for their erotic sculptures. 12th one is Group of Monuments at Hampi, Ballari district, Karnataka. It is the capital of Vijayanagara Empire in 14th century. By 1500 CE, Hampi Vijayanagara was the world's second largest medieval era city after Beijing and probably India's richest city at that time. 18th site, Fatehpur Sikri, Agra, Uttar Pradesh, is a town in the Agra district. The city itself was founded as the capital of Mughal Empire in 1571 by Emperor Akbar. Fatehpur Sikri means the city of victory. Monuments of Pattadakal, Karnataka, is a complex of 7th and 8th century Hindu and Jain temples. UNESCO described Pattadakal as a harmonious blend of architectural forms from northern and southern India. Elephanta Caves, Maharashtra. It's a collection of cave temples predominantly dedicated to the Hindu god Shiva. The Elephanta caves contain rock-cut stone sculptures that show syncretism of Hindu and Buddhist ideas. Chola temples of Tamil Nadu. Chola temples includes three main temples: Brihadeshwara temples at Tanjavur, Temple of Gangaikonda Cholapuram, and Airavadeshwara temple at Dharasuram. Sundarbans National Park, West Bengal, is a national park, tiger reserve, and biosphere reserve in West Bengal. The delta is largely covered by mangrove forest and is one of the largest reserves for the Bengal tiger. Nanda Devi and Valley of Flowers National Park, Uttarakhand. Nanda Devi is second highest mountain in India, and Nanda Devi means bliss giving goddess. Buddhist monument at Sanchi, Madhya Pradesh, is a Buddhist complex famous for its great stupa on a hilltop at Sanchi town. It was originally commissioned by Emperor Ashoka in the 3rd century BCE. Humayun's tomb, Delhi, is the tomb of Mughal Emperor Humayun. The tomb was commissioned by Humayun's first wife and chief consort, Empress Biga Begum, in 1569. Qutub Minar and its monuments, Delhi. Monuments and buildings are from the Delhi Sultanate at Mehrauli in Delhi. Construction of the Qutub Minar, the Victory Tower in the complex, named after the religious figure Sufi Saint Khwaja Qutbuddin Bakhtiyar Kaki. Mountain Railways of India. These are the railway lines that were built in the mountains of India. It includes Darjeeling Himalayan Railway, West Bengal, Nilgiri Mountain Railway, Tamil Nadu, and Kalka Shimla Railway, Himachal Pradesh. Mahabodhi Temple, Bodh Gaya, Bihar, is an ancient but much rebuilt and restored Buddhist temple in Bodh Gaya, marking the location where Buddha is said to have attained enlightenment. The site contains descendant of the Bodhi tree under which Buddha gained enlightenment over 2000 years ago, and some elements probably date to the period of Ashoka 232 BCE. Bhimbetka Rock Shelters, Raisen District, Madhya Pradesh. It exhibits the earliest traces of human life on the Indian subcontinent that spans the prehistoric Paleolithic, Mesolithic periods. This rock shelters features prehistoric cave paintings which are about 10,000 years old. Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus, Mumbai, Maharashtra. The terminus was designed by British-born architectural engineer Frederick William Stephens in an exuberant Italian Gothic style. Its construction began in 1878 and completed in 1887. Champaner Pavagadh Archaeological Park, Gujarat. It is located around the historical city of Champaner. A city was founded by Vanraj Chauda, the most prominent king of Chauda dynasty in the 8th century. Red Fort Complex, Delhi, is a historic fort that served as the main residence of the Mughal emperors. Emperor Shah Jahan commissioned construction of Red Fort on 12th May 1638 when he decided to shift his capital from Agra to Delhi. Fort is designed by the architect Ustad Ahmad Lahori. Jantar Mantar, Jaipur, Rajasthan, is a collection of 19 architectural astronomical instruments built by Rajput King Savai Jai Singh II, the founder of Jaipur, Rajasthan. It features world's largest stone sundial. The monument was completed in 1734. The instrument allowed the observation of astronomical positions with the naked eye. Western Ghats, from Kerala to Gujarat, is also known as Sahyadri, the Benevolent Mountains. These are the mountains range that covers an area of 140,000 square kilometers. According to UNESCO, Western Ghats are older than Himalayas. The area is one of the world's top 10 hottest biodiversity hotspots. At least 320 globally threatened species occur in the Western Ghats.
Hill Fort of Rajasthan. Hill Fort of Rajasthan mainly includes 6 forts that spread across Rajasthan. It was built and enhanced between 5th and 18th century CE. The 6th fort consists of Chittor Fort, Kumpalgarh Fort, Ranthambore Fort, Gagron Fort, Amer Fort and Jaisalmer Fort. Rani Ki Vav, Gujarat. A step well situated in the town of Patan in Gujarat state. It is located in the bank of Saraswati river. Its construction is tributed by Udayamadi, daughter of Kenkara of Saurashtra, queen of the 11th century Chalukya dynasty and spouse of Bhima I. Great Himalayan National Park, Himachal Pradesh, is located in Kulu region and spread over 760 square kilometer at an altitude between 1000 meter to 6000 meter. A trek of 35 km to 45 km in any of the park's valley brings one into high altitude habitat of animals such as blue sheep, snow leopard, Himalayan brown bear, Himalayan tahr and musk deer. Archaeological sites of Nalanda, Bihar is an ancient Mahavihara, a revered Buddhist monastery which is also served as a renowned center of learning in the ancient kingdom of Magadha. Nalanda was one of the greatest center of learning from 5th century CE to 1200 CE. Kanchenjunga National Park, Sikkim. The park gets its name from the mountain Kanchenjunga, which is 8586 meter high, which is third highest peak in the world. The park contains many mammal species including musk deer, snow leopard, Himalayan tahr, dhole, sloth bear, viverrids, blue sheep, red panda, etc. Le Corbusier, architectural work, Chandigarh. Le Corbusier was a Swiss-French architect, designer, urban planner and one of the pioneers of what is now called modern architecture. His most ambitious project was the design of Chandigarh, the capital city of Punjab. Historic city of Ahmedabad, Gujarat. The walled city of Ahmedabad was founded by Ahmad Shah I of Gujarat Sultanate in 1411. It remained the capital of Gujarat Sultanate and later important political and commercial center of Gujarat. The Victorian and Art Deco ensemble of Mumbai, Maharashtra is a collection of 19th century Victorian neo-Gothic public buildings and 20th century Art Deco buildings in Fort Mumbai. The buildings are set around the Oval Maidan, a large recreational ground that was once known as the Esplanade. Jaipur, Rajasthan. Jaipur is the largest city of Rajasthan. Jaipur is also known as Pink City due to the dominant color scheme of its buildings. Jaipur was founded in 1727 by Rajput ruler Jai Singh II, the ruler of Amer, after whom city is named. The city is designed by Vidyadhara Bhattacharya.